Then last but not least, guys, here on crude at 10.19, final trade of the morning, we again had the short-term trend up. Now, this was one of those trades, guys, that really made us kind of think, what was going on here, right? What was wrong here? We had this huge run up, right? And as you guys know, whenever we have a big run up, what do we expect to see? We expect to see a big run down too, right? The quicker they rise, the quicker they fall. So, of course, we hit overhead resistance, guys, up top here, 8140. We mark up our swing low. Now, if you guys are with us at this time this morning, what happened? We saw a bunch of sellers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I think we said 4 or 5 big batches of sellers, but they kept coming in very slowly. Now, we want to see these big sellers come in as fast as possible. So because they were coming in slowly, we were still concerned. Now, remember, this is the exact same time, right, 10:15, that we had been seeing that support on the dollar, right? And so we had to wait for, right, we couldn't take the breaker long because we had support on the dollar. But every time we tried to go short here, we continued to see decisive movements, right? Very indecisive. And you can see we had this little tiny dip down here. We took 2 ticks out of the market on that trade, guys, before things started whipping around against us. And we got out for, of course, almost a scratch, 2 ticks or 4 ticks for $40. So 81.32 was the fill there at 10.19. But guys, what I want you to really see here is that this was the exact time when the dollar was sitting on its lows. So the overhead resistance kept us away from the shorts. I'm sorry, from the long side. We were looking for the short side, but we never saw any big sellers. All right, guys, so make sure you guys keep an eye on that. All right, guys, let's prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, March 10th. We got 9:30 open, 10 o'clock wholesale inventories, 10:30 crude oil inventories, and tomorrow, 11:30 members-only training. We'll be talking more about the wave indicator tomorrow. Then, of course, want to remind you guys as well, the trade room opens up 7:45 Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do free webinars. Today we had a webinar on the wave indicator as well. And make sure you guys grab a copy of the beginner's course because it has all the information you need about the setups, the entry rules, our routines, the markets we trade. And always, guys, if you want more information about lifetime membership, just feel free to drop us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com. My name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. Hope you guys had a great time in the trade room this morning. I know I did. Having a great week. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye for now.